Okay. So where's the bag? Where's the money? Is it a dub if it don't make sense?
Ayo Prime, why you do that?
Woke up ready to bounce, feeling like out of the netty right now. Like Brody, we out. My only goal is the Brady amount. Damn, and I'm just doing me. So what in the world is they stressing about? Like, yo, sorrow. Let's hit our bank and empty it out. Let's get to the bag, M's, cash, let's hit the bank. We stacking our onions, hands, honeys, Benji Franks. Let's get to the beam, bread, breach, we whipping our brain. Just call my accountant, bro told me that my checks never blank. So where's the bread? If not there, I gotta go. If we ain't talking onions, then why is we talking at all, huh? All this yipping and yapping, like bro just said that you broke. Cause when I'm in the city, just touchdown, that's 100 a show. Feel like Jason Oween when they play on my streams, they gon' have it on replay. If they hate, then fuck what them chinks say. Me and Ben Frank plus A been a three-way. And we get to these plaques like Max. Every movie's a movie like we read the screenplays. And they screaming con. I'm ready by the D-Lane. On the talk of the town, where the hell did he sprout? Like, I've been planting the seeds, 2020 I've been walking them down. Like, I've been putting in work, you know the catalog been all around. And they tryna say that I'm a plan, I'ma show them my rules how they all logging out. Damn, let's get to the bag, M's, cash, let's hit the bank. We stacking our onions, hands, honeys, Benji Franks. Let's get to the beam, bread, breach, we whipping our brain. Just call my accountant, bro told me that my checks never blank. So where's the bread? If not there, I gotta go. If we ain't talking onions, then why is we talking at all, huh? All this yipping and yapping, like bro just said that you broke. Cause when I'm in the city, just touchdown, that's 100 a show. So where's the bread? Where's the bread? Where's the bread?
Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some bop. Just landed in Brooklyn.
Like damn, I'm on my villager tip. Bro came through with that fire, like he came with a literal stick. Black tea taking Hennessy sips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick. Yo, sorrow. I heard a hood need a rush hour 6. Say less, cause I just landed in. Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some bop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she on pin nap, give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops. Wait, fresh out of boat and I'm strapped. Bitch, I'm lit off the oolong and liquor. Who wanna smoke to get pet? Up, get turned to a frame on a picture. My bro got a stick in a straw hat. Came from a village of scammers and killers. From the struggle, and I could bet I'm the only team that could say this for the homies out broke bread. We split a 50 when we was still on EBT. I'm tryna move the whole gang out the hood to the family. Good whole team gon' eat. Ain't about blood, about money, this family ties. If I'm Kindred today, baby, keep. Pray for the day when the brodies gon' eat. Till the end, the motto was by any means. Look, I'm with the gang and we clicked up. We might be deep, but y'all look like some shook ones. Like, rest of y'all suck my dick. Like, how much he takes for the fee your whole lung up? Like, I do this shit so my brothers don't gotta be busting their ass for no come up. Like, what? Bitch, I'm the one. I leave them tick like they got a stutter. Wait, just landed in Brooklyn, huh? Went to the hood for some bop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she up in that, give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops.
He's gonna be like, this nigga not really cooking. Ain't nobody ate that shit. Yeah, 3 of my niggas ate that shit. Fuck, I'm out.